Namaste everyone, welcome to my vlog. It's been so long कि मैले केही भिडियो अपलोड गरेको थिएन due to a very busy schedule भनौँ. So I thought to give a pause from this tight schedule and give some time for myself. धेरै प्लेसहरू सर्च गरेँ, but my eyes get captured in this beautiful place. This is Nan Tien Temple, located in a suburb of Wollongong. It's 90-minute drive from south of Sydney. Actually, Nan Tien भनेको it's a Chinese word that means a paradise of the south. Nan Tien Temple चाहिँ एकदमै like हुन्छ नि peace अनि एकदमै beautiful environment छ यहाँको, and it's like यसको art and culture, it's really nice and it's very beautiful place to visit. It's like a solo travel type go. So yeah, I'm going to Nan Tien Temple and it's very far, you know. City bata it's like 2 hours 30 minutes or like 2 hours 40 minutes from city bata. So I mean like Strathfield, Litcombe say like it's distance titi far so. And so yeah, I'm going. It's like it's still funny when you travel like solo travel गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ you feel like there is like mixed feeling type को. You can like हुन्छ नि कति धेरै कुराहरू पनि हेर्न पाइन्छ and then रमाइलो पनि हुन्छ तर it's quite boring पनि type को किनभने oh my god, can you imagine like 2 hours 2.5 hour like तिमी त्यही बस and trainमा you feel quite bored. It's like it's quite like a solo travel type I'm going, and then it's like so let's go, let's see Nayagara. So they were like there was no content funny so I thought let's do a solo travel. So yeah, I'm here and right now I'm going station, but and I'm gonna go to the store and buy some drinks. Have to get something. What should I buy? So yeah guys, my to the store, but I got this one, orange juice. अनि किनभने कस्तो त्यो ट्राभल गरेर होला उयो भयो कि घुम्म भएको जस्तो लाग्यो. सो आई गट दिस वान अनि म मेरो ब्यागमा राख्छु. क्याफेको अगाडि चाहिँ आम गोना डु उबर. सो नाउ आई हेभ टु वेट फर द उबर. सो टेम्पल इज हियर अनि यो चाहिँ पछाडिको बाटो भयो. यो चाहिँ पछाडिको बाटो भयो अनि तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ इफ यु आर कमिङ फ्रम उबर or anything like that, उबरले चाहिँ तपाईलाई उतै तल ड्रप गरिदिन्छ. सो and then you can come त्यसपछि अनि it's so pretty हैन, peace and pretty. So the top is temple भयो अनि तल उबरले ड्रप गरिदिन्छ. So you can come. Nan Tien Temple go. There are so many temples I know. You can side so you can visit there as well. You can see, and then you can go from there as well. You say temple. I mean like it's a side temple. But I'm kissing the but it's a temple. So we are not allowed to capture pictures or any videos. So yeah, let's go guys. यताबाट माथि जानुपर्छ अब त्यो उकालो हिँडेर we can come to this place. That's it. You can see very nice view on the ठुलो Lord Buddhaको statue. So there is a statue. So guys, तपाईहरुले उयो चाहिँ स्तूपा देख्नुभयो नि sorry the statue देख्नुभयो नि हैन. So guys, this is ठुलो statue हो Lord Buddhaको. And then main भनेको चाहिँ the temple चाहिँ like main Nan Tien temple को the main हुन्छ नि त्यो चाहिँ उयो हो. You can see उयो हो त्यो like बडा statue छ नि. And then you can see very nice view हैन यहाँबाट पनि. And then that's a temple over there. And yeah, it's a bell too, but I don't know. There used to be a bell there. I don't know. Maybe some like reason or I mean maybe they are doing some construction. So a little tiny, but there used to be. And other side, man, because there are maybe on too. There a little tiny, maybe. Whatever you can go. You know, there must be and I'm gonna take you guys ठुलो वाला त्यो टेम्पलको के भन्छ त्यो टेम्पलको बाटोमा किनभने I just missed the way. And then obviously I'm going home. And it's quite boring type ko. So it's quite boring type ko. So there is nothing to say interesting for our case. There is like nothing interesting, anything like that. So case I do lay and it's quite peace. So it's nice out here. You can come with your family, your friends, anyone. And yeah, you can enjoy as a picnic type of. So you can have something. I know. So it's just for a vlog and I'm just here. So yeah, you can also see the temple. We're back at the back. There are so many temples, I know. And then like ठुलो. There is like like ठुलो temple you can find like food food and every like food and cold drinks, beverages. सबै कुराहरु पाउँछ हैन त्यो तल अनि हजुर घुम्न पनि मिल्यो खाना बस्न if you want like within temple, inside temple, everything you can find there. So you don't need to worry anything like that. Nan Tien temple, it's very nice, घुम्नको लागि for everyone. एक्लै पनि as like me, just a solo travel पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. So yeah, this is my vlog here. And now I have to catch again Uber Uber train down versus station and station, but I have to go home. And this is Nan Tien temple, guys. And you can enjoy. So guys, there was like funny like whole area, the whole area say there was like lotus everywhere. There was lotus in the whole area. I don't know why the pani pani kasto color the pani ko color pani kasto brown. I mean kasto for the hassle ani color pani ramle छैन अनि त्यो सबै plantहरू सबै oily सक्यो and there is no lotus as well. So guys, I'm heading now home. I know I'm heading towards my home. I have to go home above. And so my did go to my today and Uber like soon. On about Uber I have to go home. So yeah, it was a good vlog. It just that's all for today. Solo travel, Nan Tien temple. So this is the temple on the 1884 vlog. There is no more interesting. This okay interesting. I know. I think it's solo travel. I mean, just like travel vlog. I mean, you know. So yeah, 18 I have to go home. Now, my phone, my battery been turned up. This to there, eh? So, I'm gonna go home. Charge my phone. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm back home. म घर आइपुगिसकेँ मैले चाहिँ ट्रेनमा आई कुडन्ट भ्लग किनभने मेरो फोनमा चार्जै थिएन त्यही भएर मैले मेरो फोन स्विच अफ गर्नु पर्यो सो घर आएँ एकछिन चार्ज गरेँ चेन्ज गरेँ अनि त्यसपछि फ्रेस भएँ एन्ड देन so yeah, I'm going to end my vlog over here. Hope you guys enjoyed my solo travel. So yeah, as a like 18, see you guys next time. Please do like, share, and subscribe. See you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.